Well, hello! Long time no see. Oh my god, I had such a busy October that I couldn't find time to do any readings here on YouTube. I created or organized, I actually organized a workshop, online workshop with a group of people, and we had so much fun exploring energies and all of that. It was so much fun, but also very, very busy. Also, I had few other projects that I had to finish, and also I cut my finger. Actually, three fingers, here, here, and here. And on this finger, I cut my nerve. Also, they were sewing my nerve, and right now I cannot feel this part of my finger, and it will take probably like 6 months to fully recover from it. But that's okay, it was an interesting experience either way. So let's now see what's up for November. I know I'm a bit late because it's already 3rd of November, while when I'm recording this, but it doesn't matter. In energy there's no time, so whenever we watch this video, it's the right time to watch it. Okay, so let's see. Let's shuffle the cards. November 2025. I hope this November is going to be much smoother month. I want for my last 2 months of the year 2025, what I wish for myself is to have a very smooth, a very nice month, like everything going so like in such a fun and smooth direction, because the year of 2025 for me, it was kind of like a roller coaster. Actually, it was very intense, and also 2024 actually. So I hope 2026 is going to be more like a smooth ride, fun, explore, oh, look at this. Just as I was saying about November being hopefully a beautiful month, here we have the sun, the most positive card in a tarot. So this is kind of like the current energy, and I feel this I feel like in October we kind of finished some sort of, I don't know, not a cycle. I would not call it a cycle, but maybe a period of time. This transition time. We are transitioning into the winter time, right? And it was kind of like also here where I live, it was cold very fast, very soon. Like from summer, we went to the winter almost. It was a very quick change, and this always creates some sort of heaviness. Oh, look, what is here? The devil. Oh my god. Okay, so there is some sort of beautiful energy right now. However, dun dun dun, something is going to be resolved. We will need to resolve some sort of past, um I don't know, what is the word? Some sort of past pain, emotional pain, rejection. Maybe there was some sort of rejection happening, um, and this pain is holding you back. Someone here, so this is the Emperor here. Someone here is like, it's almost like they are pulling all the strings, and with that they are kind of like making the blockage for you to be truly happy. You can be happy, you can have those positive feelings in yourself, but some sort of rejection, some sort of emotional pain here is blocking you, maybe subconsciously. But the reason is this Emperor here, who is like pulling all the strings, and they feel victorious. But also with this card here, I would say that we can find victory in this kind of situation. Maybe we'll see. Okay, let's split the deck and let's dive deeper. So let's see what's the main energy of November 2025. Well, definitely an action. Knight of Swords. definitely we will go toward this pain, this emotional pain, this rejection, this what is the word? Razočaranje. I don't know. I don't remember. Oh, we can actually finish this. Oh, yeah. Oh, and yes, we can change here something, but it's not gonna happen as we expect it to happen. It's not gonna turn out how we want it to turn out. However, this might be even better. You know, sometimes your ego has an idea on what they want, right? And you go toward this wish, and it kind of like it kind of becomes true, this wish, but it's not like how you expected it to be. And this can be sometimes like, you know, oh my god, what is this word? I have to take a look. Hold on. It's disappointment. Oh my god. So you may feel disappointed if your wish doesn't come true as you expected, but in reality, it's usually even better this way. We just need to kind of open our mind to other possibilities. So the base energy of November, I feel like we are going towards some sort of, again, I forgot the word. Oh my god. Disappointment. As soon as I press a pause here on recording, I remember the word. I don't know, it's very very funny. It's almost like the camera is kind of, I don't know, stealing the word from me again. So we are going towards some sort of disappointment here and trying to finish it. However, it will not turn out probably how we want it, but it will actually turn out even better. We will just need to wait for the things to really kind of, you know, like make a full circle, let's say. Okay, so Nine of Cups, again, a very positive card. So the environmental energies here, a lot of moments to be happy. You know, a lot of events may happen that will show you be happy because you are successful, you are doing the right thing, you are going into the right direction. Look how everything is unfolding for you in a beautiful way, right? So there is going to be a lot of moments when we will be able to feel happiness and fulfillment. But why I feel I have to say but, let's see. Well, Queen of Pentacles, yes, this is a beautiful card, right? The Queen of Pentacles, like she has everything she needs. She's like she's almost like the Empress. But specifically in this deck, which is my deck, we have this woman and she has everything, right? But she doesn't feel very happy. It's almost like her heart is broken. And we had before the rejection, the again disappointment. Oh my god, I will write this down because here, so now I will not forget it. So she has everything she needs. However, she is somehow disappointed. She has a broken heart or something, like she is very tense. I feel a lot of tension within her. So there will be a lot of beautiful moments to celebrate, to have fun, to explore life, to, you know, maybe even a lot of small little successes that will help you, you know, reach further. But something here is going to be very obvious, like some sort of pain is going to weigh heavy on our hearts. Oh no, I think I know what is this for me. And I finally got rid of this energy. I finally forgot about this person, and just like when I think about them, I feel nothing. But here I feel like they are coming back. Their energy is coming back, and I don't like that, but fine. We will survive it, all right? So let's see the third. Oh. Like I told you, like someone is coming back, and when they come back, they don't come back fully, probably, maybe, or I mean, yeah, they are coming back, but they're not coming back fully. And this will weight heavy on your heart. I mean, this may weight heavy on your heart. I'm not saying it will, right? It depends on your situation, but it's like, surprise, surprise, here I come. I rejected you once, but here I come again. And you are like, oh no, again, not again. No, I don't want to go through this shit again. But you know, it's again, on the other side, it's going to make you feel so happy. But it's this, like this heavy pain in the heart that it's still unresolved. And I believe the month of November will be the right month to resolve this pain or this disappointment, now that we have it written here. All right. Let's see the advice. The Fool. It's almost like don't look back. You see how this person here, the fool always is guiding us into the new direction, you know, new chapter, new cycle, new adventures. And this person here in my deck, he is looking back in the past. But currently, in the expression here, I feel like he's like, he just made a quick look back in the past, just to remember, but how it was, but don't go back into the past. Don't go back. Like, if this person comes, whoever this is, right? If they come into your life and surprise you, don't start the conversation with, well, 2 years ago you did this, and that, you know, and then you did this, and that. Try not to do that, you know, try to start fresh, you know, like remember what they did in the past, how they disappointed you, how they rejected you, because if they did it once, they may repeat it again, right? So it's a good thing to remember. Just try not to clear this shit right now, because right now, it's a new cycle, it's a new energies, it's a new, like, I don't know, it's a new vibe. And so don't drag the past disappointment back into the future. Rather start fresh with the remembering of those disappointments and heavy emotions. And this, because you will not be able to express or to debate about this past disappointment, maybe this will weigh heavy on your heart. But just know that probably this person is going to repeat it yet again. You know, again, they will disappoint you or reject you or just vanish from you. You know, if they did it once or twice, they will did it the third time again, for sure. Now, try to start fresh, as I said, with the remembering of how it was, but don't go there just yet. You know, just try to maybe build new foundations in this relationship. So if you like, if this person comes back and they disappointed you in the past, now you know their pattern, right? So if you feel happy around this person, of course accept them again, but just know that they might disappoint you again. Don't go with this, like, don't believe when someone comes back and they say, oh, I've changed, I'm a different person now. Don't believe this. It's usually bullshit, right? So you go into this relationship, either it's a romantic or business or friendship, it doesn't matter, but you go into this relationship with this new energy, but again with the knowing of who this person was, and with the not like expectation, but kind of the possibility that this person will um, make the same mistake again. And so when you build those new foundations with this person, you try to build them in a way that the disappointment or the rejection will not hurt you again. Do you understand? Or are you keeping up with me? Hopefully, yes. Hopefully I explained it well. Okay, let's see what's the advice. Nine of Swords. Here I feel don't rush, you know. So apparently someone will come back. That's like very obvious to me. or some sort of opportunity will come back. It might not be a person for you. It may be like, I don't know, a project, a job opportunity, an idea, an idea that you already launched, but it didn't really, grab the attention. And now this idea comes back, and you are scared of of putting the idea out and not receiving enough attention again, right? This can be hurtful. But now, like if your idea was rejected once before, now you can think, okay, how can I present the same idea in a different way, so there will be less chance of disappointment, or rejection. So how can I improve this idea? How can I improve the presentation of this idea, so that if disappointment or rejections happen again, I will not feel it so deep into my I will not take it so deep into my heart, or maybe I can surpass it, right? I can find even a way to represent this idea and actually make it a successful thing. Either way, don't rush, right? Just don't rush, because this surprise, when this comes into your life, it's going to be like, oh my god, imagine a person coming in and saying, oh, I've changed, now I'm different person, I promise, I went into this rehab, or I don't know where, let's say the rehab is some sort of like therapy maybe, or school, or I don't know, whatever. I went into this rehab and now I'm a different person, I promise, I've changed. And then usually, people, especially women, they say, oh yeah, okay, great, let's marry again, oh wow, let's buy a house, let's have children. And then sooner or later they figure out this person did not change actually, right? So try not to rush it. That's the advice here. Okay, so what is going to be the final outcome of the November if we follow the advice? Ooh, Page of Wands. That's cute. I feel like this is this person or the idea or the project. It's almost like... Hold on, let me take the crossing card. Oh, Two of Pentacles. Man, why? It almost feels like here I feel a lot of tension. I feel like November is going to be a month where, this kind of surprise comes in, this kind of energy, and the whole point of this month is going to be to go slow and to don't bring monsters from the past into the future. Just remember them, just know that it may happen again, it may resurface on its own, but try not to, go too much in, like, try to leave the past behind. Try to start fresh with the knowing that past may repeat. And definitely don't go too fast. Try to go slowly, move slowly forward. And at the end of November here, I feel like it's going to be a very, like, a lot of tension with this thing here. Like, it's going to be like da 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 da, like something like, I don't know, like very, like, I don't know, it's very difficult to explain. But here I feel your energy with this Two of Pentacles. It's almost like provocative toward this person, and this person kind of finds the bravery in November, but they're like they are not, like, I don't know. It's a very interesting energy. Okay, fun. Oh yeah. Well, based on the reading, I hope this person for me is the one that I said before. I don't want him back. But if this is how it's going to end, this sounds fun. I want this tension. It sounds like I don't know, an interesting situation. I don't know. Okay, so let's see the message from the universe to kind of close it up. Oh, it's so difficult to shuffle because I have to hold my finger like this, and if the cards fall onto my finger here, it's like an electric shock. It's like I put the finger into the electric socket. Horrible. Okay, so what's the message from the universe? A Three of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, King of Cups, Two of Pentacles. I mean, yeah, I mean, basically what I already said here, you know, it's like working together with this energy that once disappointed you, but moving slowly, keeping past in the past, you know, try to keep your emotions cooled, you know, and some sort of tension then at the end, I guess. Okay, so let's see the three cards on the bottom card. 10 of Wands, the Star, 10 of Cups, and the Chariot. Okay, so the message from the universe, yes, it's about ending the cycle. You know, it's like starting, it's going to feel like we are starting fresh with this energy, but actually we are trying to end the cycle because there was a lesson that was missed each time when you and this person kind of met or rejoined. There was some sort of lesson always missed, and it's almost like the universe is giving us another chance. Like, okay, can you now finally find the lesson in this situation so we can move forward? Can you? I mean, both of you, right? Because when you find the lesson within this situation, this can help you find the goal, the dream, the you know, the manifestation of your dream, and it will push you forward toward it. But first we need to find this lesson, and I believe this lesson will be the lesson of the month of December. You know, now we are kind of, now the energies are still kind of like meeting up and kind of like building the new foundations, and then in December I believe like this lesson will be like it's going to come straight onto the table, and like, here it is, now learn from it so we can move forward finally. Okay, fun. That's it for November. Obviously, I mean, of course, I will try my best to do as much readings during the month of November so we can kind of check in and make a better look at the energies. But yeah, that's it, and have fun and stay safe and try not to cut your fingers, especially your nerves, because it hurts. Okay, bye bye.